got smoke. Is that a Hellcat? That is a Hellcat. Let's go. Woo!
Yeah, I was asking for a chance, and I see you getting all right. I can't understand. Hey.
What is up, Matuire family? Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. For those of you that don't know, my name is Antonio Matuire and I own a 2017 BMW 340i. If you aren't already subscribed to the channel, please consider subscribing. I do DIYs, reviews, POV drives. So if you guys are into stuff like that, hit that bell notification so you get updated every time I upload a new video. For those of you that are new here, my BMW is tuned with boot mode with a Stage 2 Plus E50 tune. So today it's honestly a beautiful day here in Vegas. It's usually super sunny, but today it's actually kind of overcast, so it's a perfect day to do a video, take pictures. So just like that, let's go ahead and hop in today's video. So I need to go to Home Depot or Lowe's or something just to get some adhesive for this little piece right here. So if you guys missed my last video, I changed the gear selector to carbon fiber. So as you can see, carbon fiber, but this piece right here has adhesive on the back of it. And if I stick it on there, it just barely will stick on and then pop off. But anyway, I do need to get adhesive for that piece so that it doesn't pop off like it just did. So let's head to the store. I don't know why every time I start one of these videos I have absolutely no gas, so I gotta go get gas first before we do anything. I totally got E85 all over my hand. I'm currently flashed with an E30 tune, but I just filled up with an E50 mixture. So I'm gonna go ahead and get out of the way because there's other people that have to fill up and just park one of these parking spots and flash my car back to an E50 tune. All right, so let me explain. So the other day I actually got some rollers taken of my car. Shout out to Cross Films. She does amazing work. If you guys are in the Las Vegas area and need like rollers or any videography done of your car, hit her up. I'll leave her Instagram below. But anyway, I got some rollers taken of my car and I needed to fill up on gas that day. So the gas station that we stopped at actually didn't have any E85. So what I ended up doing was just putting a couple of gallons of 91 in my tank. But obviously that offset my E50 mixture. So instead of doing an E50 tune, I flashed my car to an E30 tune since there was more pump gas added to the mixture. But now that we're back with the E50 mixture, I need to go ahead and flash my car accordingly so I don't have any issues. But speaking of the rollers, I have posted a couple on my Instagram Reels as well as my TikTok. If you don't already follow me on TikTok, you can follow me at Money Matuire. The Reels came out so crispy and I'll definitely be doing work with her again in the future. It's kind of hot in this puta. Looks like it's finishing up now. I do apologize if I sound sick. It's because I am. I'm just a little congested, have a runny nose and whatnot, but I wasn't gonna let that stop me from making content for you guys. So just bear with me on how I sound. All right, looks like it's good. Let's go ahead and unplug that. Let it sit for about 3 seconds. Go ahead and get this adhesive for this gear selector. Which way do I want to go? Probably this way. To be honest, I probably could have just gone to like Walmart or something. You know what? That's what I'm gonna do. It doesn't have to be a hardware store to get some adhesive. I mean, I can get adhesive anywhere. And to be honest, Walmart's probably a little cheaper. Y'all, listen to how good this turbo spool sounds. I don't know why, but it sounds better in comfort than it does in sport. But listen to this. Woo! One more time. Yeah. Let me know down in the comments what intake you guys are running. I have the CTS turbo intake. I've been thinking about switching to the MST. So if you guys have the MST intake, let me know how you guys like it. Going back that night and you know what's on my mind. If you had my love and I gave you all my trust, would you lie to me? We are here at Walmart. I swear this guy be putting in overtime. Every time I come to this Walmart, there's this G80 M3 parked here. So I'm assuming this guy works here, but it's super clean. I'm about to get out and show y'all. Out of body. All right, y'all, check it out, check it out. Woo. That Isle of Man green goes so hard on the M3s. Which one y'all taking? The G80 or the F30? Comment down below. And don't y'all lie to me. They got all kinds of glue in here. I didn't even know there was that many types of glue. We got vinyl and fabric glue. We got glass glue. Oh wait, it gets better. We got shoe glue. Since when do you have to be 18 and show your ID to buy some super glue? Alright. Alright, this stuff seems pretty fast acting, so should be good now. Alright. I know y'all all came here for a reason. So without further ado, let's go do some Hellcat. I already got the GoPro hooked up there, so we'll go ahead and see what we can get into. As soon as we enter the highway, we have a charger. See if he's about that action. Lights, camera. I don't even think it's a scat. Nah, I'm not about to do that. I always think tunnel videos are dope. Sounds so good. Woo! Oh yeah, there it is. I had to make a U-turn. We're going through the tunnel one more time. Let's go. Smoke! Is that a Hellcat? That is a Hellcat! Let's go! Woo! We got one, boys! We got one! Oh yeah. He knows what I want. He knows what the business is. Jesus Christ, this guy's flying. I'm not trying to fly, man. I'm trying to do like a 60 roll or something. Jeez. Bro. Why you acting like you're running from the cops right now? Shit, it's just me. This guy is flying thinking that I just want to go balls to the wall. I'm just trying to line up and do like a little 60 roll or something, my guy. Y'all, I know with the 60 roll, I'm going to be spinning. Where's he going, bro? Where you going? Where's this dude going, man? I really hope he doesn't exit the highway. They always exit the highway, man. Let's see if he wants to do one. Let's see if he wants to do one. Let's see if he wants to do one. Not even worried about me, bro. And this man is exiting. Why every single freaking time? Oh man, I feel like every time I make one of these videos, man, I find either a Hellcat or a nice ass car, and they always exit the highway every single time. Well guys, we didn't get ourselves a Hellcat today, but we're gonna get one sooner or later. Alright, I hope y'all enjoyed this video, just a little POV drive of me trying to get into some things. I know you guys like these POV drives, so I'm starting to try to do more of them. If you guys aren't already subscribed to the channel, please consider subscribing if you like content like this. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, it helps me out tremendously. And just like that, I will catch you guys in the next video. Peace.
Excited just to see me, wish I felt the same way.